Thank you for listening to one of Analytics for a Living's advanced Python sessions. Analytics for a Living offers Python training and one-on-one coaching, use case development, and solutions to your analytics using Python. Please visit analyticsforaliving.org to enroll in a course and enroll in one-on-one use case support. In this session, we'll be reviewing Numpy empty, creating an uninitialized array. Also recommend for you to review before getting started would either enroll in a course or review some of our online programs where we review Python basics, data types, variables, assignment, conditional statements including calculating functions and frequencies, loops, functions, and also earlier sessions of NumPy functions where we went and reviewed creating NumPy arrays, creating an array of zeros, creating an array of ones. In this example, we're going to be creating an uninitialized array. Numpy.empty equals creating an uninitialized array. The real-life example would be an approach to utilize creating an uninitialized array by allocating memory for a sensor data in an embedded system. To write the function, first you import numpy as np, np short for numpy, sensor underscore data, always use a underscore, never a space, equals numpy.empty, parentheses 1,000. So this provides 1,000 uninitialized arrays. Then type the output equals an array of uninitialized values. Again, the import numpy is np, sensor data is np as 1,000, and then write the sensor data. We calculated this previously, but we'll calculate that here by clicking on the arrow. And there you go. NP empty, 1,000 data points of an uninitialized array. Quickly and easily can be calculated. Please join our next sessions where we'll be reviewing some other NumPy arrays and/or enroll in one of our sessions. Thank you for joining.